Time you come to church, you must look at time must get better. You must start to tupla important something, and you must better time you come to church. One plan emotion, plenty time emotion. You may come Papa God, you must speak to me, but thank you, no talk to you yesterday. I said plenty time one side better, but then another side too, you can better too. I said God this day, but you see me too, because you got two plus side door. Okay. So you come to you must better that God by speak to you, God by minister to you, God by touching you, God by helping you through the workman, through the Arab brother. Now you must better do some God. You by you see me Lord this day. You by you see me Lord this day. Time or look in you, must look in you.
Yes.
When them clothes me wearing and meeting you, let me make it. So you must come to minister to God, to others.
Yeah.
You must come, Lord bless him now. Maybe you not a pulpit, but presence be your man looking more but mamas. Maybe you want Papa, you come, you got all Arab Papa, maybe you're going to heavy, Lord is with almost but time will give you or feel encouraged, or feel God can use you in Charlotte Church. God can use you. So time you come, you must all over the time you must ready like come. Ready Lord, God can use you.
Yes.
Plenty time. Plenty time say come, kisim ino through the talk God. Yeah, talk God. But plenty time also come. Not brother susah saya encourage you.
Yeah.
God sabe. God ready some line for this. Maybe you all come now. Oxim talk that's all maybe all oxim full alright Lord. Now time maybe after church now. Inside the little group or pastor lo share now. Now maybe ever share lo some heavy and go through. And that's susah or mama by encourage. No, me too go through that. So one to talk I'm strong in me yourself. Oh, I think I'm true. Me come here through. So you look in. God can use in you. So no can come one time this la attitude or say me by go na kissing ta so no God you can use me Lord this la day.
Yes.
God lo on and road. Maybe one brother so say got need. Me no sabe ta so you sabe. So me ready, you can use me too. So over the time you come to church or you go to crusade, you go to any boom, you must ready now you want to. Kind of say. So God be available. Lo on and road. Maybe presence flow me and make it enlightening. So I said me play me come to you, me bless too, me encourage too, me look you play and mix in blessing. Okay, so I'm possible to so I'm very important. You want you got called now, you got Singaut. So you know that you stop yet. I'm Singaut, maybe I finish this later and God back you.
Yeah.
So not that you lapun, no got God and you Simeon and lapun tasolan speaking blessing finish now. Amen. So you lapun, God got walk lo you. God got walk maybe bubu you no born yet. You must speak a last blood blessing. Because Bible talk God will bless him second, third, fourth generation. And Muslim, so maybe God will preserve him, you know, bubu blow you. I Muslim. So some prayer blow you and bubu blow you by Karen, ever Karen thank you. So no can talk you lapun. Maybe outside but inside here, teeth here, spirit man blow you and no got lapun blow gana. I Muslim. So over you what work. So important. So Mrs. encouraging you plan of this la. The best place to be is to be in the will of God.
Yes, amen.
Okay. The best place to be is to be in the will of God. Sometimes you need to presence of God, but you shall say presence of God. You got two plus side broken. One time you were feeling everything is running nice. You can feel as you missing you feeling presence of God na healing na kind of say. But you got none but side of presence of God. Sometimes I go inside heavy na problem.
Yes.
But then part of presence of God.
Yes.
Bible and talk. Lord Jeremiah, I will make you to go through hard times, but I will be there to teach you.
Yes.
So presence of God will come in two forms. Sometimes by you feeling nice, you are feeling more God and move now, you feeling more peace now. Sometimes you feeling more or something, but man was stealing something. So even inside the presence of God, you will going to heavy too. And part of presence of God, and that teaching you some lesson. And that elevating you on another level. Kind of same. So best place to be is to be in the will of God or the call of God. Okay, something God and put him inside the Singaut long hand. Money blow you, anointing, okay, sometimes inside God. That's why me just thinking this morning and let's walk close and find him plus find him Singaut God life. So Singaut God and very, very important. Okay, no can behind him. Church no can behind him, pastor no can behind him, money cover behind him, God. Yeah. Nah, God. When I'm half watching out in you, okay, something I'm ready to this lah. Okay, okay, the money you need him, I'm starting to sing out, God. You young man marry you too, I'm starting to sing out, God. You young marry mom you too, I'm starting to sing out. You starting to sing out, God, now God will bring him more money back. And so that's why Bible and talk, seek him, kingdom, God, pastor. Who will blow God. Okay, so a very important, Lord, you must find him, seek him, kingdom, God. Not very important talk too. And we just like some of the things work like and encourage him. One important talk, Miss Sahara Planetarium, Prajanya and talk, which is very, very important talk. And commitment, or English or call it commitment. Commitment, and meaning say you must commit in you yet. Okay, you suffer lo sing out lo God lo life lo you must commit in you yet. Commit in you yet, and meaning say. So coconut you looking lo coconut and bakarem or banana. You such a planning banana na 1 month na and come out again. I go planning again on all blah na after 2 weeks and come out again. They go planning on all blah expecting myself. You such a come out planning. You plato. Oh no kata. And by na kare. Oh, coconut and floating over as long as I'm going to half ground, big ground, big ground, as long as I'm going to touch him and by establish. And by start low half now, and by start low grow. And by growing, go, and by carrot. Commitment, I want to important something. So, you got plenty of that's why I'm want to talk English, I'm understanding want to be something. You must clear along how God operate. You must have a lot of God. You must have a principle or call it more formula or kind of say 1 + 1 = 2. 1 + 1 equals. You must have a lot of formula. You must have important. So this la money by me have talk holiness and righteousness. Very important talk. Very important talk. To play close to link on a man, but to play important. Yeah, so 1 + something planetarium said, you commit in you yet. Okay, so suppose you like a businessman or you like a millionaire. You will not come up overnight. And you become a billionaire after 10 years or 20 years or 30 years. Not going to think about overnight. You don't look at you ever not come up overnight. That's why you by discipline and commitment and this little commitment. I mean, you like finishing house here carpenter must every day must. You like growing beginning and breakfast, lunch, dinner, baby. Set mama current beginning. Usai saya talking beginning or said okay breakfast me give you susulo yo meeting or said lunch na dinner larem I me give you lot tomorrow morning. All mama you plato. No hatia. By you give susulo no breakfast. Mama bro me breakfast lunch dinner even extra time to mama to must give susulo me close to kind of thing. I said, no, me to talk to you, you blow by strike me to talk to me. You blow to all man. Suppose mama, you know, we give susulo, you play by Bruna. You look in. Commitment. Mama, I'm committing maybe to breakfast, lunch, dinner, and you come up, man. Commitment and big plus something. And planetarium, I'm saying, I didn't realize him. Suppose you not committing me yet. You not look at KK, bro. Building. You not too long here after review come up now you strike now you go not too long EBC chats. Not too go on what AOG all man youth excitement now you lose it you go not too long upside. Preach. Must you must one black and Christian here. You must have latest Bible or kind of say. You are committing you yet. Suppose you start the promised land. Committing you yet the promised land. I don't go inside the heaven. You go inside the heaven. Pat block rob. Coconut or banana and when you come some banana put down next time. But still some banana was thrown. No kan something by isi no kan Christian life and got up and down. But promise lo God and to was a mino not losing you na mino na forsake you. And because you were going to have yourself and to mino not losing you. Still but this one thing. So suppose you believe sit or sick na heavy no name right. You get up na you talk sorry na you move on. You were lining no mistake. Kind of so me just feeling commitment and want to pick something. Suppose you come up true disciple na you come up strong man Mary and you must commit you yet. You must be committed to your local church. You must commit you yet your program. You must commit you yet. Then by you looking kaike believe you ya. Kaike lo tu you ya now by no na looking and by come up after 10 years time. So commitment and big for something. Commit you better so better we know what breakthrough no can worry just better yet. Yes. You better you so tintin no you think in this have karaoke you see memorize tintin yet na better yet na. Na talk sorry yet na you go yet until better you breakthrough. You understand or no? No one wants straightforward. No one wants straightforward. No one wants married and wants a factory mate. No what there. You got time where you talk honey, that's all. You got time where this la talk honey by nice time inside. And by lion or minus there is not perfect marriage. Not perfect Christian. So I'm important. So Mila encouraging you, Milo, committing you yet. Committing you yet. But you look at Kaike Blogan, but come up. Kind of said. So anyway, one like important talk and say when they will be like answer to talk but maybe no say go inside road. I'm say go inside but I'm not say go inside good or kind of say. So me try best to must go inside good. So committing you yet. Committing you yet. Good time good. But you look at Kaike Blog believe you yet. Believe you know Jesus and no gaman them true believe but you need to walk yet. Bible and to work at your salvation with fear and trembling. Okay.